Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming access. Sign in to account. Microsoft. And verify the Microsoft account used for Minecraft. Once signed in, open the Minecraft launcher and check the profile avatar top right to confirm the linked account. If you use two-step verification, make sure your authenticator or backup email is available. You'll need codes for security prompts. This avoids lockouts. Make sure to close other Minecraft sessions on different devices to prevent sync confusion before proceeding to unlinking steps. Next, perform the actual unlinking inside the software. In the Minecraft launcher, go to Manage Accounts or the Profile area, select the Microsoft account, and choose Sign Out or Remove Account. If you're in-game, open Settings, locate Profile or Accounts, and select Sign Out. Confirm any prompts. You may be asked to re-enter your password to confirm the change. Once done, close and reopen the launcher to ensure the session clears, and the Microsoft account no longer appears in the account list. Finish by verifying the unlink worked. Launch Minecraft and confirm you see the sign-in screen rather than an auto-signed profile. If the account still appears, clear the launcher cache or remove local profile data via Settings Storage for the launcher, then restart. If unlinking fails, go to Account. Microsoft. Open Security Apps and Services and revoke Minecraft permissions to force disconnection. If you get stuck, contact Microsoft support, but first try clearing cache and revoking app access, which resolves most sync or token issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.